In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook page permanently. So, on Facebook, click on your account icon in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. In here, you can scroll down until you find Access and Control. In here, you have the options to deactivate your page, unpublish your page, or delete your page. We want to delete our page permanently, so we'll just click here and then click Continue. We can also download our info and transfer the info to another Facebook account, but for now, we'll just click Continue. Now we need to enter our password again for security purposes. When you click Continue, you will be greeted with the confirmation for the deletion of your page, so just click Delete Page. And that's it. That's how you delete your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.